started with Angel Eunice. Very quickly at the start, running by high chair confusion. And on the outside comes El Terrible. It's Lemon comes next. Dane Hill, Dave While Fine. Needles is the early trailer. And going along for the first time, 3 entries. Fire out for the lead. Angel Eunice is running by the lead. The portion comes high chair confusion, and on the outside comes El Terrible, then followed away by Dane Hill David. 11 comes next, while Fine Needles is still racing its 6 half-mile distance. They traveled the lead to El Terrible by about half length. Angel Eunice in second, high chair confusion is down in third, then followed away by Dane Hill Dave, while Fine Needles is still running at the tail of the field, and at the far turn with El Terrible by about 2 lengths, and in second comes Angel Eunice. High chair confusion is down in third. Next on line is It's a Lemon, then followed by Dane Hill Dave, and Fine Needles is still running at the tail of the field as they swing for home with El Terrible, this time by about 4 lengths. Angel Eunice in second, high chair confusion is down in third with about 100 meters of the race with El Terrible, this time by about 6 lengths, and finally it's El Terrible. Second is Angel Eunice. High chair confusion, it's silent.
Layo talaga eh, no?
Papadyak-padyak lang si El Terrible. 18 and a half, 24 and a half, 24, 27 and a half. Total time ni El Terrible is 134.6. That's Jackie MF Dakis. To confirm yung kanyang 56 kilograms, okay na, sabi ni Mang June. So, antabayanan natin yung